It's a rainy evening here at Lacson Street, and we decided to have dinner outside, and guess where? We are here at our favorite Korean joint, the Pizzaro. How do you pronounce it? Pizzaro.
Apple, pineapple.
Okay.
Did you order apple and pineapple?
Apple and pineapple shake.
I thought you ordered mango.
They have no mango. What do we have there?
Let me just taste it for 55 pesos. Apple shake and pineapple shake.
Which
Now,
one is better?
they're both actually good.
Okay.
Look, I must admit mango gets boring, but 55 pesos and a decent portion and fresh, very good. Pizzaro, I think is the name.
Pizzaro.
There we go, Pizzaro is the name, Pizzaro.
That's the name.
And you go in and you order your food, which may be arriving right now.
And there is our food.
And the good thing about the food at Pizzaro is you have a mixture of pizza, some Filipino dishes like tocino, and you also have Korean food.
Korean
That's
food.
very interesting.
What do we have here right now?
Kimchi jjigae.
Kimchi jjigae, and there's a side dish.
I thought the kimchi jjigae with rice is 150 pesos. Not sure about the egg rice thingy, but anyway, the only problem with this joint, I mean, it is cheap, it is actually good quality food.
Yes.
The only problem is inside the smell of the oil with the not cleaned air cons. It's
Yes.
just not inviting. You walk in, a minute later you walk out, all your clothes. And today was really bad, so bad that we decided to have the food outside. But
Okay.
still, we recommend
We keep
Pizzaro.
coming back to this place because of the food.
Where do we find Pizzaro?
Along Lacson Street and 12th Street.
Opposite Shakey's and next to the
Mayfair Bazaar.
Oh, which hotel? There's a hotel. What's it called?
Under Avenue Suites Hotel.
That's it.
So this is Pizzaro. They have dinner inside and al fresco outside where we are right now because we couldn't stand the smell. Especially when it's cold, damp, and you're wet. The stinky smell really gets into your clothes. So even then, the redeeming factor of this place is the good food, good Korean food at affordable prices. So this is Pizzaro. You can find Pizzaro along Lacson Street, and that's part of Avenue Suites Hotel. So this is Avenue Suites Hotel in Bacolod City. This is Tteokbokki. Yay, yummy. So wow, for less than 500 pesos, these are all we have for dinner. Beautiful Korean food, al fresco. Thank you, Giday. So this is our Korean dinner tonight. How do you say bon appetit in Korean?
맛있으세요. 맛있어요. Bon appétit. Hau rein, Alter.
안녕하세요.